you what, did not have him. Oh, goodness. Goodness, goodness.
Gives you a look here of what's exactly inside everything and where all the supports are going to be built. Supports are in blue, and the hatching you see in here, that's internal support. And there we go.
Okay, there she is. We just gotta let her cool off a little bit now. Helps keep her from warping if you leave it stuck to the glass till it's cooled off. But then again, sometimes these aren't stuck to the glass very tight. Let's have a look here. Okay. And yep, she popped right off. Okay. Finished product, other than cleaning her up, taking off some of the supports. Support right there. A few other places. We'll get this cleaned up and we'll see how she fits.
And just in case anybody thinks this is a one and done thing, that I can just draw this stuff up and magically have it be right the first time, no. Right here is what it actually took, how many attempts. This first one, it printed short for some reason, then the printer just plain quit printing. Not really sure what happened there, but software glitch. Anyway, so then here was my next one, and these next couple were a sizing thing, me trying to get the size exactly where I wanted it. This one here, you can see filament all over. It's because I forgot to flip it over before I printed it, and I had some ledges there that didn't give any support because I had my support turned off. Didn't need it if I had put it the right side up. And here we go. We started adding some of the mount on the bottom, and the microphone mount are there on that one. This one here, I believe, involved the relocation of some of the holes that you plug the microphone into and whatnot. This one here was a real nice finished product. Fits nice, works great, and I came to the realization that I didn't have the holes in my case for the cooling holes that are actually in the camera. It's got some holes in it for the internal microphone and to help keep it cool. So here's the one we just got done printing off. So we'll get that cleaned up and slap it on and see what it looks like. And here we are, all cleaned up, finished product. New vent holes. Right there's the top one. We got a side one here, which is the smaller slot. There's a vent hole. And see if she pops right in. Push her down. The little tabs catch it and lock it. And I don't know if there's going to be enough light here to see this, but oh yeah, we can see it. And right there she is. There they are. So this should be ready to go. And then for an idea of what it's really all about, see, I 3D printed my little handle here, which I got off Cult 3D, I think. Can't remember. But there we go. Camera's on its little... Got my little bread tie here that holds my cord from pulling on things. My microphone. Plugs in quite nicely. Alright.